the theme number 4, and we are making the ecological stove. Our main objective is to contribute to a sustainable development by creating a solar stove that doesn't use gas and just the sunlight.
The presentation about the content including topics and subtopics, key context and the definition. In this project, we're going to use topic sustainable development for a good ecosystem and make renewable and non-renewable resources. In this project, we use only solar light and thus don't use gas that contaminate too much the environment. And we saw a video in which man use a conventional mirror and satellite dish to make the stove. Then we investigate and collect ideas. The idea occurs when we saw a video that the man used recycled glasses or mirrors and make a simple solar stove.
The stove does not need any extra energy, just be in a place that has plenty of sun, so it can pass its rays through the mirrors and reflect the sunlight to cause heat. This device can be used in areas of the country or the world with low economic resources because of the accessibility of these materials, plus it doesn't contaminate the environment.
Well, our chemical processes that we used was the cook of milk. We also use the refraction, the use of transformation of solar energy. The purpose of this project is to demonstrate to the people that we can cook or we can use like stove using just solar energy. Also, we can recycle glass mirrors. Also, we can use all recycled materials, and that's good for planet.
Monterrey faces a huge problem of contamination. In 2015, it was named the most contaminated city in Mexico. Right now, there is a vehicular park with more than 2 million of automobiles. This is causing a massive deterioration in air quality. Let's not forget that we are also great consumers. We buy a lot of things, but we hardly use them. Or if we do, it's just for a while, then we get bored and we throw them away. Sustainable development is the answer to our problems. We need to learn to use just what we need, preferentially with things that we already have or that are still working.
The scientific method. Ask a question. Does the solar kitchen work? Many families in sanitary zones doesn't have a kitchen or even a oven. So it's a great idea for helping them and the planet. Hypothesis. Our hypothesis is that food will take while cooking with solar stove, with the water eventually it will burn. Experiment. Make the solar kitchen and wait until the food is cooked. Analyze the data. The conclusion, the procedure works. The solar kitchen starts to cook when there's more heat. The conclusion is the solar stove made by glass. Also, no, we help both the people and the environment. Not using gas, and for persons that don't have many resources to buy a oven, we can help in doing this project and it's cheaper. The materials are satellite dish, pieces or broken glass, multi-purpose glue, tweezer, and platina.
Operation and functioning mode observes interaction. The solar stove is pretty easy to use and to make. You just need to recollect the materials that we already said, and that's all. You need to leave the meal in a place where there's plenty of sunlight.
Benefits of using the project. There are a lot of benefits of using the project. The main one is that you are using sustainable development, and that people who doesn't have like the economic resources, they can make it with cheap materials or recycled materials. And you just need to leave it there. And maybe you have to wait a lot, but if you think about it, you are not using gas and not contaminating, so it is a good option.
This is the solar stove. We have the break there. And we use only recycled glass and also recycled wood. It's too easy to do and don't waste a lot of money and
Can you explain us a little bit how it works?
when you it placed in a zone that it has a lot of sunlight and place here the meal, the food where you cooking. You place it in a valley with it has some sunlight and the ¿cómo se dice? Rayos. The rays sugar like crash here and then produce heat and make the food cook.
The time depends on what are you doing.
And also the intensity of the sunlight.
Yes.
Okay. In the trials you made, how much time did it take for the food for being warm?
I do it in my house, and the fish was like 4 hours and 15, 16 minutes. But it's without gas, then it's cool.
So you just need to be patient with it.
Yeah, and not to be hungry because you will die.
Good. Very good. Final conclusions of each defender?
Well, I think that this project is a great idea because everyone can do it and it's good for the environment.
In my conclusion, you only don't help the environment, also help the people that don't have a lot of resources that both an stove or normal to cook normal.
In my conclusion, that this is a good project because we're not using gas, we only use solar light. And it's a very good project, and it's a very good.
In my conclusion, is that our project is a very helpful and useful project because we are using renewable resources that are the sunlight, and this project does not contaminate as others normal cells do.
Or you can
Ah,
yes.
yes.